Hello guys. In this video, we are going to set up a victim computer. That's mean I am using Windows for victim. So already we have set up the tool app Metasploitable for bug hunting and Kali Linux for hacking. So now we are using Microsoft Windows Virtual Machine OS and use it as an victim. So Kali Linux has hacker and Microsoft Windows has victim. So now we have to download Microsoft Windows for virtual machine. So in google.com, just type Windows 10 32-bit OS virtual VBox. Okay, that's enough. Virtual box. I'm typing Windows 10 32-bit OS virtual box image. So see, download here Windows 10 virtual machine. So I'm clicking on this. It's a Microsoft website. So there, Windows 10, it's a 20 GB. You can install by clicking here and download these packages. So if you don't want to download 20 GB means if you have download a normal ISO file and you can install in your iOS. So just go to this. So the website called isoriver.com. So just go to this and click on VirtualBox image and just download your file now. So we click start download. So it's 6 GB. We don't need to install anything. It will already come with a pre-installed one. So I'm using this MSH Windows 10 VirtualBox. So you can download here. Click in link below my video description. You can download using that link. So by clicking OK, it will be downloaded. So guys, I already downloaded and extracted this. So this is the file, 6.75 GB file. It's a OVA extension. That means VirtualBox extension. The file look like this. So we need to insert into this. So I'm clicking on tools. I'm just adding. So clicking on all. Okay, it is not a VBox file. So okay, XML VBox can only be added this way. I'm going to import. So I'm clicking on this. So see, VB OVA extension. So I'm clicking on this and open. See, the OS pathway is shown here. See, Windows 10, CPU using 1 core for 4 GB of RAM. So all the details are been pre-assigned based on your system. Then set the path where your folder want to assign. So just I'm clicking here and just import it. So it takes time up to 10 minutes or 20 minutes because it is a heavy program, Windows 10. So we need to wait. So I pause this video. Okay guys, now everything was completed. So it's successfully inserted. So we need to nothing to install anything, just to start it. So I'm just minimizing the screen. So you see, it will starting to load automatically. If you guys want to resize the screen size, go to this. Once it boots up, so you can resize the screen by clicking here what screen size you want to resize and what the font size you want to increase. Or you want to adjust based on the screen size, just click here. So adjust in scale mode. So if you full screen it, so it will adjust it to the device. So I'm using this. So if I just click here, so it will be I'm using this off space. It will be full of Windows 10, of view of Windows 10. See, so working on updates, then 100% complete. So okay, so I'm pausing this video. So once it's completed, I will turn on this. Okay guys, it just take 5 to 10 seconds. That's it. So I press enter. So it asking password. See, so the password is capital P A S S W 0 or D and hyphen. So you can see the password P capital P small a S S W O, that is not O, it's 0 R D and hyphen exclamation mark. That's it. So we have successfully installed a virtual machine. Understand? So this is the default screener. So if you want to change, see is the password. I use all the things I mentioned here. Let's click display setting. So if you want to change this wallpaper, you can change using this command. Okay, it's loading. So if you have two PC, then you no need to install this kind of. If you not having any PC for hacking usages, so you can install using this virtual machine. So we have successfully installed our virtual machine. So when I first screen, so I'm just clicking here, typing CMD command prompt in Windows. In Linux we call it as terminal. In Windows we call it as command prompt. So here type ipconfig. So ipcon forgot again. ipconfig. When I press enter, see 10.0.2.15. This is my IP address. So this is gateway. This is a router IP address. So this is the this Windows. That means virtual machine created an IP address for this Windows 10. This is virtual machine generated IP address. So if you want to connect, just type A or P hyphen A to see the details. So this is my interface IP address. So see, these are the IP address connected. So these are the subnets. So these are the physical MAC address. So this is the MAC address of my router. So this router. So we can see all the things. What connections are connected to my computer. What the IP address are using my Windows system. So I'm pressing this. So this all we going to see later. So in this video, we're going to set up their Windows 10 virtual machine. So we see here IP address and default gateway. What is it? So if you guys any doubt, please comment below. I will try to answer quick. So if you want to, if you don't want this type of means, you just click here and write Control plus C. So you be a normal window. Virtual screen. So you want screen size, it will be adjusted based on your screen size. See, so it will be adjusted based on your screen size. So I hope guys you can understand what is it. So next video we are going to use this as a victim. So yeah, I'm changing the background to this. Okay, that's enough. Okay guys. So this is a 90 days trial valid. Okay, we set up run victim system. So I'm opening my virtual machine tool manager. You see guys, we have successfully installed an hacker computer like Kali Linux. So Meta's portable for bug hunting. It acts as a server. So elevator this and victim computer Microsoft 10, Windows 10. Okay, next video we're going to see about ERP spoofing. Thank you for watching guys.